Hi guys, welcome back to Bride Society. I'm Rebecca and this is Laura, and today's video we were pretty excited about because Paperchase recently invited us to a press event they were holding, which is called Paperchase's Bridal Shower, to celebrate the launch of their 2019, well not the launch, it's been out, this season's 2019 wedding and party range collections. So we went down to London to Bar Elba in Waterloo, which is a rooftop bar, to see the ranges and do some workshops.
Yeah, so there were two workshops that you could do. We only had time for one of them. We did a paper wreath making workshop, which was really cool, with Laura Evadian. And then there was also a calligraphy workshop with Matilda London Atelier, and we'll link both of those people down below for you because we might have got their names wrong. Yes, where the calligraphy one you could personalise a notebook once you kind of went through the basics of how to do modern calligraphy.
Yes, it looked fun.
It did.
We were just having so much fun, we never actually got around to that one, unfortunately. But the event was really good fun. And there were burgers and prosecco, so that definitely helped.
And cupcakes too.
Oh yes, the cup. How did I forget? There were cupcakes.
Yeah. So we took some clips of the day. So we're going to here's a few clips to show you kind of what went on, what
we got up to.
Yeah. Hopefully see from those clips we had a really good time, and then at the end of the night we got goodie bags, which is always exciting. So we're just going to show you what we got in the goodie bags in case you're interested. So first things first, we just got a Paperchase catalogue lookbook for this year with just all their different ranges in.
We got a postcard saying you've got this.
A good motivational postcard. And then Laura, who was doing the paper wreath workshops, popped in a kit for making some paper roses.
Yes, and there's a link or something so we can make these paper roses online. So so we've got all like the bits.
Yes, so we can have a go at those in our own time.
Yes, and then we got some luggage tags. So is mine open? Yours is open, I think. Oh no, there we go. So
decorative.
And yeah, I thought they were just going to be like the sort of plain, like, you know, this kind of
brown paper.
Thank you, the words I wanted. tags, but they're actually quite exciting. I haven't decided what I can use them for yet, but
lots of things.
Yeah.
And then also got some very useful paper clips. And they're not just normal paper clips, they're quite fancy shaped paper clips as well.
Crack them open.
Yeah.
I was like probably more excited than I should have been. Partly because paper clips were on my shopping list and I actually needed some. So, but yeah, they're quite fancy. I probably can't see, but I'm excited is the moral of this story. And champagne bubbles. So this is part of their range as well. But yeah, and then just like blow bubbles. So just made us excited.
Oh, I love bubbles too. And then not in our goodie bags, but possibly the most exciting thing that we got given on the night. And you'll see her in probably some upcoming videos and maybe on Instagram. This is Henny. And Henny is part of Paperchase's wedding, hen party range, who comes with her own veil. Yeah, so she's already been out and about in London.
Yes, she's good hen party mascot.
Yes.
To carry around on the night, I think.
So yeah, you'll definitely see her in the future.
Featuring. Yes. So we had a really great time. So thank you to Paperchase for inviting us. Yeah, we had a really good time. And it was lovely meeting those people.
You've done some videos recently actually showing you some bits of the Paperchase wedding and hen party ranges, so we'll link those for you, and we'll also link...
Yeah, we'll also link Paperchase's direct link to their website for like their hen party and wedding ranges as well, so you can get there quickly.
Yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. It's something a little bit different and exciting for us.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you liked it, please give us a like, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.